everyone, it is Destiny here at County Line Campers in Gulfport, Mississippi. I am jumping in the service shop right now to show you a brand new floor plan, brand new unit that just arrived. They're just getting ready to do our initial inspection on it before it hits the lot for sale. So I figured now would be a good time to walk you through it. It's all plugged up, the AC's going, it feels great in here. I'm gonna give you a quick tour of the outside and then the inside. If you like what you see, keep watching because I'm about to show you every single detail. Starting right here from the outside, you can see we have a nice corrugated side, but a smooth front cap. They're giving you this diamond plate right here and a really pretty LED light strip going across the front. We have two large LP tanks with a tank cover, power tongue jack, and a little holder for your 7-way and your chains. Battery disconnect right back here, and this is where your batteries will go. Coming over, we've got pass-through storage. You're going to be able to clip these up on the magnetic clip, up and out of the way, and look at all that room going through. Potable drinking water right over here. You do have your power stabilizer jacks. They're going to have two separate motors, so we've got one for the front and one for the back, and you can see they're going to scissor down just like they've got them right here. And since I'm down here, let me go ahead and show you. We've got a nice double axle as well as that fully enclosed underbelly. This is really great for that extended season camping. We have our sewer connection right over here with our gray and black tank. Outdoor shower. This will get hot and cold water for you, and we are 30 amp power. One slide out over here, and this is going to be on the rack and pinion slide out, and this is a nice large size for you. Coming through all the way to the back, we have got the other side of the power stabilizer jacks. You can see the button and the jacks right there. Little extended bumper. This is a great spot to slide that sewer hose into. You are prepped for a backup camera if you would like to add one. We are proudly constructed in the USA. My favorite thing, on-demand hot water heater. You have got that with this unit. That is the exhaust for it, and that is the exhaust for the furnace. You also have your LP quick connect right over here. That is pulling straight from that LP tank on the front, so you can plug up a little gas grill. You've got an outlet over here, so you can do a TV or charge up your cell phones. And check out the spacing on this. So much control and stability as you're towing. And these are the Lion's Head Lifetime 125 Lifetime. So you are getting 1 year, no excuses guarantee, 2-year complimentary roadside assistance, and then 5-year warranty on the Radel ST tires, and then you've got the lifetime structural warranty on all wheels. Okay, so much good peace of mind as you are towing. We do have a power awning with a pretty LED light strip, and you can see that does cover the door, which is really great. Black tank flush, city water connection. They're giving you a bottle opener, little spot to tie up the doggo. And then we have the other side of that pass-through storage. It will also have that magnetic clip on there for you. And then we have got the light switch for the LED lights in the front, and then a little push button. And the guys have the ladder right here, so that does, of course, fully open and prop out of the way for you. Now, friction hinge on this door. This is really neat because it's just going to stay in place wherever you put it. Detachable screen door. Extra large grab handle. It's just going to lift up and fold over, so it's not sticking out for towing. But these steps I think are really cool. They've put this super tough design on it, so it's like super anti-slip. It's got so much good grip on it, and I like that you can get all the dirt and debris off of your sandals. And then these are going to lift up and go into the doorway, so again, nothing is hanging down for towing. And they also have telescopic little pedals right there on bottom. All right, so let's get inside where this AC is going. It's feeling nice. As we come in, we have a nice wide foyer entry. They even give you a little overhang right here on this L-shaped kitchen, so that way these bar stools can sit here and you have more dining space. So 2 dining spots right here, and then you've got your booth right over there. Breaker and fuse panel, fire extinguisher. I love that the furnace blowers are off to the side. They're not down in the floor. You know, dust and debris isn't falling down into them. We have our light switches right here. You're sliding in and out, awning in and out, water pump, and then the ability to check your tanks. We've got an outlet right here as soon as you walk in, and we've got more right here. That is your CO2 sensor. You are going to have so much good countertop space, and they even give you this little glass cover so that way you can have more countertop space, and then peel it on back when it is time to cook. You got the 2-burner gas stove and a built-in convection microwave and air fryer right here. Fully extending drawers with that solid plywood construction. You're going to see that throughout the whole coach. Storage right under here as well as under here. Also notice this flooring, solid piece, front to back, side to side, completely bonded and fused to that subfloor. And I love that they carry it over into the slide out, so there is no carpet in this coach. It's perfect. We have overhead storage going all the way through this cabinetry. Got a little exhaust fan with a light. Your refrigerator, this is going to be the Furrion. Movable little shelves and separate freezer right up here. And don't worry if you're thinking that is not near enough cabinet space or pantry space. You've got your hidden pantry right back here with that push light. Bracket for the television, gonna go right there. Sound bar, this thing is amazing. You hook it up to Bluetooth, the TV, HDMI, USB, whatever. It is gonna give you such good audio. And then down here we have got a fireplace. What's cool about this is it puts off heat using electric, so you don't have to waste that LP. You also have pretty ambient settings, so you can use it just as a nightlight. The windows are incredible. Full tall windows with screens on every single one. So the cross breeze, and then you throw in that screen door, amazing. Imagine this parked out by the beach. It's gonna be perfect. We got the little vinyl toppers, blackout accordion shades. Our one slide out right over here, really pretty, trimmed out with that mocha color. This is a vinyl kind of leatherette jackknife sofa. It's just gonna lift up and fold down for you. You've got the removable arm cushions and open storage under here. That is a little foldable ottoman, so extra storage if you would like it. USB and lightning charger. Those accordion blinds are going to go across all the way through. Now this right here is fabric, but they are on individual zippers, so you can take off the cushions and throw them in the wash. We have got more USB and lightning chargers right over there. And this part's pretty cool. You can remove this leg and remove the brackets from the back, drop this tabletop onto this ledge, and then spread out these back cushions to make another sleeping spot. So we've got probably an adult there, maybe 2 grandbabies here, and then of course your bed in the back. We've got large storage under both sides and more outlets right over here. Heat and AC will both be controlled digitally, and you can see that. It is ducted, so it is running throughout the whole coach. Smoke detector overhead, and again, that LED lighting all throughout. It's so bright in here, it looks gorgeous. And then coming through, we have what we call a pass-through bathroom. I actually love these. They're my favorite in campers because they make the bathrooms feel so much more spacious than shoving them into a little corner. So we've got lots of open cubby space here. Duoform plastic surround, so there's no caulk or seam running there in the corners. Built-in little shelf ledges, removable sprayer with the pause button, extra tall sky dome, power fan and vent right here. We have our foot flush toilet. And then open storage on this side as well as under here. And our countertop, nice deep sink, outlet, light switch, and then that on-demand hot water heater. But then we've got our extra large medicine cabinet right there. And then lastly, little pocket door. Got this nice camper queen size bed. Yes, it does have storage underneath of it, okay? And then you're going to be able to open this. You are prepped for a TV if you'd like to add it. There's the outlet for it right up there. Then we do have another window with a screen that will open, the blackout shades, built-in little end tables, outlets, USB charger, individual push light, and then USB and lightning chargers will be on both sides, as well as the outlets, overhead storage, and then another window right over here. But this part's pretty cool because we have the hanging wardrobe and the ability to access your pass-through storage all through here. How neat is that? So that is a look at this travel trailer. What do y'all think? You can come and see us 7 days a week in Gulfport, Mississippi, right off the Cal and Lorraine exit. You can also shop 24/7 at countylinecampers.com. So when you all think camping, think County Line Campers.